Hello there folks, my name is Andy, just having a look at this 2014 on a 64 reg Audi SQ5, absolutely unreal car. However, they did come up on a dash there with the daytime running light fault, unfortunately. Just this side, daytime running light on here failed. I did check all the fuses and unfortunately it seemed like it was too good to be true. There was something wrong in there, so I did think nice and easy swap with the bulb. How wrong was I? Unfortunately, you can't take out the headlight unit without removing the front bumper. So what I've done is take the front sort of scuttle panel off, if you like. Remove the air box. Whilst I was there, did replace the air filter, of course. 3 screws to remove. One here, one just there, and one there. You can push then the unit forward a little bit, which gains you access. And then you get in there nice and easy, you would think. Definitely no bulbs in there that relates to daytime running lights. It's right up in that top right hand corner anyway, so the best way for you to get there, because it is a nightmare to get out, is through the wheel arch liner. So you go up there, if I can get the camera to show you, there you go, there's the that's where it sits, and the little window up there, in that perspex, there you go, little windows there where the lights go. So that's how you get it out, up through there. This is the unit itself. 3 screws, you do need to remove all 3, and that's the little lights there, these little yellow things, little LED lights. So unfortunately you do need to replace that unit. I did phone the Audi main dealer, quote that part number just there. They've come back with £209 including VAT in the UK, but you can source them on the likes of eBay for around about £40 second hand. So that's what I've done. Okay, so 2 days later the new part has arrived. There's the old one, there's the new one. £16.75 on Amazon, £16.75. So let's get it fitted, see if it works. So I've just plugged it in, started the car. If we have a look up there, we now have lights. There you go, there's the light coming from it. So I'm just going to turn the engine off and fit that back on. Just goes to show it does work. That's how to replace it, folks. There you go. So there you have it, folks, fully working daytime running light DRL. £16.75 there or thereabouts from the old Amazon. Up through the wheel arch liner, a couple of screws, and away you go. I hope this video's been informative and helps you out. Good luck though, folks.